Khublei shibun ni bibaro kibawan hakani ka video ngangai pinjok shibun kijing mentoy bat kijing tip paper lang bakani ka video bat kamtam yakitoki samla ba apply ya ka kam pulit namar ka exam jongki kalajan kila ro ban prepare lang bakani ka general knowledge ka bangawan ra sapi abaya debat ka jela Meghalaya ka jongi dan kata kadraw haba ngayo iya kani ka jingtip kepada kam payangi bangiro ini share lang batnya pan iwaya iway tidak nak kata kadraw empan se ngahaban wan ra sapi ya kani ka jingtip pila ro ban tip yala ka jong ka jela jongi barok kawe te nak kata kadraw ngaman se ban share lang sapi bapiro pin tip te kani ka dai ka jing mentoy lang hi ka jongi te kumta phiro phila ban share saki parlok bajan tam jongpi bat kamtam yaki bahayeng hasem jongpi kenang bakiro kintip te krem dapat slam tongin sedang no sisindon saka video.
Which lake is known as Shihajar Nangli, a man-made historical lake in Meghalaya? Answer: Thatlaskeng Lake. Which is the highest point in the Garo Hills? Answer: Nguh Peak. Which is the largest river in Meghalaya? Answer: Pyrshang River. Where is the headquarters of East Khasi Hill District located? Answer: Shillong. How many total development blocks are in Meghalaya? Answer: 46. How many parliamentary constituencies are in Meghalaya? Answer: 2. Where is Nartyang Durga Temple located in Meghalaya? Answer: West Jantia Hill. What is the motto of Northeastern Hill University, nguh? Answer: Raise up and build. Which group of people is mostly found in Meghalaya? Answer: ST. When was Northeastern Hill University nguh established? Answer: 1973. How many campus does nguh have? Answer: 2. When was Jantia Hill created? Answer: 22 February 1972. How many autonomous district council are in Meghalaya? Answer: 3 autonomous district council. Which lake is known as Barapani? Answer: Umyam Lake. Which district is Dauki located in? Answer: West Jantia Hill District. When Umyam Dam complete? Answer: 1965. When did Conrad Sangma become the cabinet minister? Answer: 2016 up to 2018. How many MLAs form the government of Meghalaya? Answer: 31 MLAs. What is the full form of NEGRIM? Answer: North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science. What is the motto of NEGRIM? Answer: Toward knowledge and life. When was NEGRIM established? Answer: 1987. Who is the Health Minister of Meghalaya? Answer: Amparin Lengdok. Who is the Education Minister of Meghalaya? Answer: Rakam E Sangma. Who is the Speaker of the 11th Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya? Answer: Thomas A. Sangma. Who was the leader of the opposition in Meghalaya Legislative Assembly from 2018 up to 2023? Answer: Mukul Sangma. Where is the headquarters of East Garo Hill located? Answer: William Nagar. Which northeastern state has the same number of constituencies as Meghalaya? Answer: Tripura. Which district has the largest number of constituencies in Meghalaya? Answer: East Khasi Hills. Where in Tura is the Northeastern Hill University located? Answer: Chanmari. Which is the most spoken language in Meghalaya? Answer: Khasi. When was Jaintia Hill district created? Answer: 22 February 1972. What is the elevation of Tura Peak? Answer: 872 meters. How many municipalities are in Meghalaya? Answer: 3. How many census towns are in Meghalaya? Answer 7 towns. Which Chief Minister of Meghalaya served the term for Chief Minister for only 30 days? Answer B.B. Langda. Who is the shortest serving Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Answer J.D. Rambai. What is the border length of Meghalaya with Bangladesh? Answer 443 kilometers. Which river can be found under the Dauki Bridge? Answer Dauki River. What does gram means into local Khasi language? Answer cave. Which is Northeast India's oldest English language daily newspaper? Answer Shillong Times. Khublei shibun.